A judge in India has heard evidence from a woman from her hospital bed 2 years after she accused a former legislator of rape. Kuldeep Singh Sengar is accused of raping the woman in 2017 when he was 15. He also faces a murder charge over a car accident that hospitalized the woman. The trial is one of many sexual assault cases in India that has caused public outrage. The kidnap and rape of an 8-year-old girl in 2018 drew angry protests. Figures from 2016 show there were 40,000 rapes registered, an average of about 100 a day. Well, let's speak now to Indian Supreme Court lawyer Mihira Sood, who joins us via Skype now from New Delhi. Thanks very much for being with us. So just give us your thoughts then on this particular case and how it figures into the whole debate about rape in India and this seeming culture of impunity there.
Yes, well, I think one important thing to consider is that of all the thousands of cases of sexual assault that do happen in India, there are always going to be a few that, for whatever reason, stand out, grab the attention of the media and grab the attention of the public. So I think we have to keep in mind, firstly, that this case is just one of many, and there are many more stories like this that are not even being told. Which should just give you an idea of how bad the situation really is in India and how precarious it is for women and girls here. And I think stands out in this case in particular is the fact that there is really no protection for people coming forward to testify, whether they are survivors or witnesses, because what you have in this case is a politically powerful person who has been able to use his power and influence to compromise the survivors' security arrangements and to threaten, browbeat, and actually assault, and in some cases kill, the witnesses and lawyers supporting her. So either through a situation of incentivizing people to withdraw their cases or threatening and intimidating them to do so, what you have is a situation where cases don't tend to get prosecuted to their fullest extent. And that's where the political power and the impunity really comes in, because people know that they can get away with it.
So what's the solution then? Is it enacting tougher laws, or is it more than that? Does it require a whole change in attitude and culture?
See, I think as far as laws are concerned, we have some very stringent laws on paper. But the problem lies in their poor implementation and the fact that you've not really trained and sensitized the people responsible for that implementation, whether it is the law enforcement, that is the police, or whether it is the lower judiciary where the actual trial is conducted, that is the first sort of point of contact for a survivor with the legal system. And we have to remember that the people implementing this at these levels come from the same society as the people actually committing these crimes. So beyond a point, law is not really the one-stop solution that it is made out to be. What we need is better social awareness and sensitization. And as far as laws are concerned, we really ought to be focusing on better witness protection and protection for survivors, so that they're not afraid to testify.
Good to speak to you, Mihira Sood. Thanks for being with us.